Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. In today's tutorial we're going to be taking a look at how we can add rulers and guides to your Canva document. What we need to do is we need to head up to the top here where it says file, and we need to select that. If we go down to settings, we can now see it gives us a number of options, and the top ones are show rulers and guides and add guides. So if we select show rulers and guides, which you can also click Shift R, and that will also provide you with the rulers. So here we can see now it's give us a ruler across the top of our document and a ruler going down the side. If we now want to go on and add guides onto our document, then all we need to do is we need to click up on the ruler and we need to drag, and as we can see now it's give us a line guide, and we can do that multiple times on our document, and also we can do that from the side as well. So if you wanted to create squares or rectangles on your document, then this is a perfect way. If at any time you want to undo any of the work that you've done, then just simply slide your lines back over to the side or to the top, and that will simply remove the guides from your designs. Also, if we go back up here to settings, we can click on add guides, and as we can see now it's give us guides that are already preset inside of Canva. So here we can see we've got 12 columns. We can also go for 3 columns, and we can also get a 3x3 grid. If they're not quite what you're looking for a design that you are creating, then you can simply click on custom, and here it will give you the option to give you as many columns as you like, the gap you would like in between it, the margin, how many rows you like, the gap in the rows and the gap in the margins, and then you would simply click on add guide, and that would allow you to create your own custom guide as well. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I would look forward to seeing you again in my next video.